Yo guys, this is actually super cool what I just came across. So I basically found a brand new method on how to get Play Store on iOS, guys. On any iPhone, any iPad, guys, you can literally get the Google Play Store on any iOS device or version or anything like that, guys. So as you guys can see, I literally have the Play Store on my iPhone 15 Pro here, guys. And to use this, guys, you don't need a computer or anything like that. You can do this straight off your phone and set it up. It's like 2 minutes time to get the setup, guys. So let me show you guys a little bit more about this and how it works. So basically it's called Play Store Plus Plus, and basically literally what it is it's a port for the Google Play Store for all iOS devices, so you can get APKs on your iOS device, on your iPhone or on your iPad. So you can literally get Google Play Store apps on your iPhone or iPad. It's super cool, guys. And like I said, you don't need a computer and you don't need to jailbreak, so you can do this with no computer, no jailbreak, nothing like that, guys. Just off your phone, just using your browser. It's super easy to do. So yeah, it's actually like incredibly cool. I don't know how the developers did this, guys, but it's honestly so cool how you can literally just get Play Store APKs on your iPhone just like that, guys. So anyways, follow along with me. I'm going to show you guys how to get this Play Store Plus Plus app onto your device, guys, and how you guys can use Google Play Store on your iPhone or iPad. Okay, guys, so the first thing we're gonna do, and by the way, guys, this does work on all versions of iOS 26, even 18, whichever you're on, no matter, it'll work. Okay, guys, so anyways, the first thing you guys want to do is you want to pop open your browser and you want to head on over to here, guys. Okay, so just get this typed in here. Okay, and you want to just hit the go button, and then once you hit the go button, you want to just search for Play Store. So okay, Play Store, all one word, guys. Okay, and you want to just tap on that, and then once you get there, guys, you want to just basically tap on this, guys, and you want to hit the start button. So once you hit the start button, it's basically going to start building you a personalized app tailored to your device based on your device's version and specs and all that. Now once that bar is finished, it's going to take you straight to the setup wizard. Now once you're over there, basically what you guys want to do is you want to basically get those apps and do exactly what their instructions say to do, because basically what the developers did was they hid the files for this Play Store or iOS app within these apps on the App Store, and basically when you get these apps in the setup wizard and do exactly what their instructions say to do, it initiates a file transfer for the Play Store iOS app over to your device. Within a few minutes of doing the instructions, the app will load with all the features working. If it doesn't load within a few minutes, you did something wrong. You need to go back, do more of the apps, and do exactly what their instructions say to do, guys. Okay, honestly, I just recommend doing all the apps from the start, just so you don't need to keep going back and doing them over again. But yeah, honestly, guys, if you just do exactly what each individual app's instructions say to do, and you just take your time with it and you're patient, the app will load onto your device pretty quickly there. And if it doesn't load, like I said, you did something wrong. You need to go back, do more of the apps, and do exactly what the instructions say to do. Okay, guys, so that's how to get Play Store on iPhone and iPad in 2026. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you guys out. So see you guys in the next video. I'm out.